Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create your own custom workflow in Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and create one. If you have struggled, you can go and check out our videos on their channel to get help. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button, schedule events, and some other things here. And also we have the admin center in the bottom left corner. In the top right, we have some more things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create your own custom workflow in Calendly. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the home page. So click on the top left corner to get to the home page if you're not on it. Now what you need to do is select the My Calendly drop-down menu and select the user you want to create a custom workflow for. So basically this is My Calendly. Click here and select a user. You can go and add users. Of course, I don't have any at the moment. Then see the page, refresh, then select workflows. When you selected workflows, start with one of the common workflows below or create your own. Select create your own workflow, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and guys that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.